Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
We have video. So you just came out from physical therapy. What is going on?
I graduated physical therapy.
So you don't have to go back no more?
Unless I get hurt again.
Well, yeah, you told me to see me again real soon.
Yeah.
So what did you get?
I got a cup.
What's it say?
Wasatch Physical Therapy.
Cute.
And then I got 3 Musketeers ball.
Oh, wow.
Says
my
you're
favorite.
unstoppable.
That's my favorite.
But
You're
I'm not.
You're unstoppable?
Oh, but I'm not.
Let me see it. You're unstoppable. Well, until you hurt yourself, and then you stop dead in your tracks. All right, we gotta go home and get ready. Cause where we?
NUTCRACKER.
NUTCRACKER. We're gonna go see hide and seek. Hi, you guys did so good. Yes. She's out in the audience. She sees you sitting by me. I didn't get. Oh man, I have never seen a prettier candy cane in my whole life. You did so good. Food, Annabelle? They're so delicious. The nutcracker made her so sleepy, but she's eating her food. Take a bite. Take a bite. Open your mouth.
Say
Are you gonna eat it? Open her mouth. She's hungry. She didn't have dinner yet. Eat your food. Are you done? Are you done eating, Nanny? Are you done? Oh, you're still eating? Okay. She's still eating. Do you want another bite? Do you need a drink of Pepsi? Annabelle, take a little drink. Hurry so that you can swallow the corn dog. You have corn dog in your mouth. You gotta swallow it. Take a little drink, sister. Hurry. I think she's tired. Okay, let's let her just lay her back down.
time.
You gonna eat now or you can lay down? I don't know what you want to do.
Food or lay down?
You want to eat or lay down?
It's like she was just woke up from like anesthesia or something.
Do you want to lay down, Annie, or do you want to eat the corn dog?
You want corn dog?
Or do you want to drink? We got Pepsi. Do you want to drink a Pepsi? Okay, Cody's gonna help you. Open your mouth.
Here, open
Take
your
a drink. There's a straw. Take a drink of the straw. Close your lips. Close your lips, Annie. Take a drink. Help her. Annabelle, close your lips and take a drink. Are you gonna lay down or take a drink? What are we doing, sis?
Do you want a drink?
Hurry, there's Pepsi right there.
Right
Take
here.
a drink. Hold the straw and take a drink.
I
Oh,
got
there
it.
you go. Cody's trying to help you. Oh, yeah, that's better. No, it's like she's been under anesthesia.
I hope I'm not like this.
Is that better? Do you want to lay back down now? Or do you want your corn dog?
Corn dog? Do you want the rest of your corn dog? Okay, here we go. Here, do you want to hold it? You waking up a little bit? Do you want to hold it? Do you want to hold your corn dog? Here, take it with your hand.
Okay, and eat it. It's yummy, yummy. Is it so good? Are you sleep eating? This is the best. This is better than the Nutcracker. Remember all them ballerinas? They were so beautiful, huh? Are you gonna be a ballerina? Yeah. Oh, nice. Excuse me. Doran just burped. He's like, eh. Annie, are you still eating your corn dog? Don't drop it. Are you still eating? Do you need another drink? No? Yes? No? You can lay down or take a drink or whatever you want to do. Okay, number 4. No? Yeah.
Create something fun.
I'm so confused on my days. They're all blended together. Is that number 4?
Yes.
Cool. What is it? What is it? Wow. That is... Those are so cute. Oh my gosh.
That's so much fun.
Oh my gosh. We're going to have fun today.
Heck yeah.
Thank you. Be sure you head on over to my channel, Candance Brewer, to see what Mitchell got in his advent calendar.
Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas.